In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscribe newsletter form in Elementor. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or any kind of website, adding a newsletter form is a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged and informed about your latest updates and offers. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you don't have Elementor yet, go ahead and install it from the plugins section. Once it's activated, navigate to the page where you want to add your subscribe form. Open this page with Elementor by clicking the Edit with Elementor button. This will take you into the Elementor page builder where the magic happens. Now, in the Elementor editor, look to the left side of your screen for the widget panel. Search for a widget called Form. You may need Elementor Pro for this widget, so ensure your version supports it. Drag and drop the form widget onto your page where you want your newsletter form to appear. You should now see a basic form on your page containing the default fields. The next step is to customize this form specifically for newsletter subscriptions. Click on the form to open its settings in the left panel. Here, you'll want to remove any unnecessary fields until you're left with just the email field. Hover over any field you don't need, and click the Delete icon. For a newsletter subscription, typically the name and email fields are sufficient, but if you only want the email, simply remove the name field too. Now, let's configure the email field to ensure it functions correctly. Select the email field from the list of form fields. You'll see several options for customization. Verify that the label says email and that its type is set to email to enforce correct input data. If you like, you can make this field required by enabling the switch that says required to ensure users can't submit the form without providing their email. To give your form a title like Subscribe to our newsletter, select the Forms heading section and enter your desired text. Feel free to style this text with different colors, fonts, and sizes to fit the design of your site. Next, we need to set the form's actions after submission to ensure subscribers' emails are sent where you need them. In the form settings, find the Actions After Submit option. From the drop-down menu, choose Email or integrate with a third-party service like MailChimp by adding MailChimp to the list. You'll need to set up and configure your MailChimp API key beforehand if you choose that route. Finally, adjust the styling of your form to match your website's design aesthetic. Use the Style tab to change colors, fonts, field sizes, and button designs. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, hit the Save or Update button to publish your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a subscribe newsletter form to your website using Elementor. Now, visitors can easily subscribe to your updates, keeping them engaged and informed. Thanks for watching.